In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and go to the Google homepage. I click on the search bar, type in YouTube, and press enter to search for the platform. When the search results load, I click on the main YouTube link to open the website. Once on YouTube, I look through the home feed to find a video that has audio dubbing or multiple audio tracks. I scroll down until I find a video that is playing in a different language or has automatic dubbing active. I click on the video thumbnail to start playing it. As the video begins playing, I move my cursor over the video player to bring up the player controls. I then click on the settings gear icon located at the bottom right corner of the video player. This opens up the settings menu options on screen. From the menu options, I select the audio track option, which currently shows the active language track. A side panel opens listing all the available audio tracks for this video. To turn off or change the default auto-dubbed track, I click on English to switch the audio back to its original or preferred language track. With the audio track reset and the subtitles turned off, I click back into the video player. The original audio now plays smoothly without any automatic dubbing interruptions. That is how you easily turn off auto-dubbing on YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.